NEC 312.8 addresses the use of panelboards as raceways, but it doesn't specifically discuss making splices within them. To determine if splices are permissible, we need to consider other relevant sections of the National Electrical Code. 300.3 defines a raceway as a channel designed for holding wires, cables, or busbars, with associated fittings made of materials such as metal, fiber, or plastic. Examples of raceways include rigid metal conduit, flexible metal conduit, electrical metallic tubing, underfloor raceways, cellular concrete floor raceways, cellular metal floor raceways, surface raceways, wireways, and busways. 300.4 focuses on maintaining electrical continuity of metal raceways and enclosures. It states that metal raceways, cable trays, boxes, cabinets, and fittings must be metallically joined to form an electrically continuous system. The electrical connection must be made in accordance with 250.8 and 250.12. 250.8 provides requirements for connecting equipment to the grounding electrode system or the grounding conductor of the premises wiring system. When an equipment grounding conductor is used, it must be sized according to Table 250.122 and used as the sole equipment grounding conductor. The equipment grounding conductor must be connected to the equipment by one of the following means: firstly, a bolt, screw, or other approved thread-forming device with a clamping action in accordance with 110.14c. Secondly, a pressure connector listed for the purpose. Thirdly, a grounding lug listed for the purpose. Fourthly, a listed grounding device. Or fifthly, other means approved for the purpose. 250.12 covers the size of equipment grounding conductors. For a branch circuit, the equipment grounding conductor must be sized as follows. Firstly, where the branch circuit conductors are American wire gauge 10 or larger, the equipment grounding conductor must be American wire gauge 12 or larger. Secondly, where the branch circuit conductors are American wire gauge 8 or smaller, the equipment grounding conductor must be American wire gauge 10 or larger. Based on these National Electrical Code sections, it's generally acceptable to make splices in panelboards used as raceways, provided that specific conditions are met. These conditions ensure safety and compliance with electrical standards. The first condition is that the splices must adhere to the grounding connection requirements outlined in 250.8 and 250.12. This means using appropriate methods and hardware to create secure and reliable grounding connections. The second condition is that the equipment grounding conductor must be adequately sized according to 250.12. This ensures that the grounding conductor can effectively carry fault current back to the source, providing a low impedance path for clearing ground faults. The third condition is that the raceway system must maintain electrical continuity as specified in 300.4. This means that all metal parts of the raceway system, including the panelboard, conduit, and fittings, must be properly bonded together to create a continuous electrical path. In summary, while NEC 312.8 does not explicitly prohibit splicing in panelboards used as raceways, other NEC sections provide guidance on how to do so safely and in compliance with electrical codes. Proper grounding, conductor sizing, and electrical continuity are essential considerations when making splices in panelboards used as raceways.